Alright, I'm going to show you how to use Keynote to create your volcano project. Now, when you open the Keynote app, you're going to have the opportunity to click this plus sign to create a new presentation. When you do that, you can choose a theme, and one thing I love about Keynote is these endless choices of themes. Not only does this give you a neat cover page template, but all sorts of layouts for the various slides that you choose. So I'm going to choose this one to start. It takes a little bit of time to load all those neat templates, but then it will open for you. This is very similar to PowerPoint in some ways. We will double tap on these boxes to type, and we're going to want to be referencing our rubric. The rubric tells you everything that you need on every slide. So on my first slide, I want the name of my volcano, the location of the volcano, and a picture of it. So on slide 1, I'm going to name my volcano. And I'll use mine that I actually researched. Ixtachihuatl. I'm going to say where that volcano is located, Mexico City, Mexico. And of course, you will fill this information in with what is true about your volcano. When I'm ready to edit this slide, I can click on these text boxes and drag them around. I can highlight the text, and anytime I want to edit the style of anything, I head up to the paintbrush at the top of the screen. The paintbrush lets me edit whatever I'm working on. So if I'm using text, it gives me all this text editing, and I can change the size and the color of my text. Later, however, if I add a picture, I'm going to do that by clicking on the plus sign. This plus sign allows me to add all sorts of new stuff, and one of those things would be photos. So if I click photos, I can choose a photo of my volcano that I've already saved to my images. So I'm going to choose this one. And then I can drag this around. You'll notice this photo is already kind of edited with a border. That's just because of my theme. If I don't like that, I click on that paintbrush again, and I can choose all sorts of different styles. I can choose a style for a border. I could give it a little pin to hold it in place. I can change the scale of that border. Tons of editing options. Additionally, every item that I choose, I can animate, which means I can give it a build in so that it will dissolve in when it appears, and I could tap it and give it a build out. Maybe I want it to move out to the side when I'm done with it. When I'm done animating, I click done, and I'm ready to add new slides. You'll see when I add new slides, I've got all these neat template options, and you can try it, see if it works for you, and then change to a different one. Please remember that you have tons of creativity with how you style this, but you must make sure all the correct information gets onto the correct slides. So let me show you my final template. I worked with Mrs. Long, and we created this volcano project that includes everything that we need from slide 1 to slide 9. We were able to play with some transitions and just really explore all the possibilities of Keynote, and I hope that you can have fun doing that as well. Happy creating!